Hi Patrick people, welcome back. I'm Stephanie at Patrick BMW, and today we're going to be exploring the interior of the 2019 M850i. Let's get started. Things you're going to notice, this does come in a coupe style. It is the luxury coupe. It's also available in a convertible as well. So we're just going to open up this door, and now you're probably thinking, well, how do I get in the back seat? Well, there's an easy solution. You see that little pull tab right there? You're just going to pull this guy up and move it back like so. So you're able to access the rear seats. Also, the seat's going to move automatically by itself. I don't know if you could see that on film. I'm going to try to do it again by putting the seat back. And as you can see, the seat's going back automatically. That's really cool. So you don't have to worry about moving seats or anything anymore. So as you're going to sit inside, you're going to get a nice view of the all-new iDrive 7.0. Of course, comes standard. There's a little welcome screen. And we're just going to go around the interior, get a good look at the back seats. And I think it's cool that they styled the rear seats similar to the front seats. So it has a very nice, even look to it. And this is in the Ivory White leather. Very, very sharp and soft. So now we're just going to come back out, take one last look at that multifunction steering wheel. So I just wanted to show you guys a up-close and personal tour of the interior. So that'll about wrap it up for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.